A big plus for operator ease is our swing open blade design. Our 3-bladed spade that utilizes a single hydraulic swing arm gives an extra wide 60-inch opening, while our 40-inch dual arm opening on our 4-blade spade runs about 52 inches wide. This allows you to transport larger trees and work with bushier evergreens without damaging the tree or lower branches. Additionally, this design vastly improves operator visibility, not only viewing forward from the cab during transit, but also your view of the tree base when you're penetrating the ground with the spades. Whether you're navigating the woods or lining up a transplant, having clear view is critical to both productivity and uptime protection due to reduced operator mistakes in the field.